Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's class, we will be solving question number 2 of exercise 10.3, which I have asked you all to do as a classwork yesterday, right? So many of you have solved it, very good. So the one who could not do this or the one who is having a problem will watch this video, okay? So in order to solve the question number 2. We will be solving question number 3 from exercise 10.3 and also question number 1 of exercise 10.4. Alright, so let's start doing. So the question says here is, construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal side is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. Okay, so you have to make a isosceles triangle. You all know what is isosceles triangle, in which two sides are equal and one side is unequal, right? And the length given here is of 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. So we will make the base first of all. Okay, we will make a base which is 6.5 centimeter. The base here is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is exactly 6.5 centimeter. Give a name BC here. Alright, so from B you have to make 110 degree. 110 degree, I'll use the protractor to make it. It is 110 degree, right? So 110 degree lies over here. Just see. Yes. So now what you have to do is you have to cross this point by drawing a line. Alright, so by making a line. Now here give a name X here. Now what you have to do is, let me write the measurement here. It is 6.5 centimeter and here also we have to choose 6.5 centimeter. From here only I'll be choosing. This will help me. So this is 6.5 here. Just see. BC is 6.5. So now from B I will cut one point here. Okay. So this is our, give the name here A. This arrow is X here. This line is X, but this point from here to here, it is 6.5 centimeter. Now two sides should be equal in isosceles triangle, right? So I made two sides equal. Now this point A and C will be connected from here. A to C should be connected. Just see. The point should be very exact. The point should not run away. So this is our triangle ABC, which is making 110 degree. Alright. So you can write, therefore triangle ABC is a required isosceles triangle, right? In which two sides are equal and one side is unequal. So you don't have to measure this. They just have asked us to draw in such manner. Okay. So let's proceed to our class work for today, which is our question number 3. So here we have the question number 3. The question states that construct triangle ABC with BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and measure of angle C is equal to 60 degree. So here we have to make one triangle. The name of the triangle will be ABC, but I'll write here ACB. It will be triangle ABC only, don't worry. Why I'm doing so? Because we have to make angle C is equal to 60 degree. And BC or CB is equal to 7.5. Most of the student may have a confusion. So why did you write CB? It is given BC or it may be CB. Both the value will be same, BC or CB. So I'll make the BC or CB first, which is 7.5 centimeter. It is 7.5 centimeter. So here it is 7.5 centimeter. Just check it out. Yes. Give the name CB here. Okay. Now according to the question we have to make 60 degree first. After this 7.5 we have to make 60 degree, which I'll be using protractor, or you may use the compass. Okay, no problem. So to make 60 degree here, just see 60 degree lies over here. Pass straight line through this dot. Okay. Pass straight line through this dot. So make straight line, and then what you'll do next is you'll give this ray as x. Okay, then what you have to do is we have to make AC, right? AC value which is 5 centimeter. AC value which is 5 centimeter. Choose 5. Okay, it is exactly 5 here, right? So now from here, C, you will cut an arc which will be our A, right? Now this join the 2 point A and B. Like this. So this is our triangle ABC and our angle is 60 degrees. So you can write therefore triangle ABC is a required triangle. Alright student, I hope you have understood this. Okay, there is no doubt, I guess. So I chose, instead of BC, I chose CB. Both are correct, both are same way. Okay, so this is the required triangle ABC. So let's proceed to question number 1 of exercise 10.4. So student, here we have the question number 1 of exercise 10.4. Here, construct triangle ABC given measure of angle A is equal to 60 degree, measure of angle B is equal to 30 degree and AB is 5.8. So two angles are given, okay, and one side is given in this exercise. So you have to construct one triangle whose name is triangle ABC. So just see the base AB will be here. So you have to make angle 60 degree, A 60 degree and angle B 30 degree. So both the angle will be on the base only. So it will be AB here. First of all, we have to make the base AB, which is 5.8, as the angle A we have to make 60 degree from here. From here we have to make 30 degree. Wherever they will meet, that will be C. Okay, that's as simple as that. So I'll show you how to do this. So let me erase it. Okay. So as according to the figure, rough figure, we have to make AB first of all, which is 5.8 given in the question. So whatever the two angle you have, measure of angle you have, beside that whatever the base is given, whatever the side will be given, that will be considered as a base. Okay, that is a simple logic. So it is 5.8, 5 is here, 5.5, 6, 7, 8. 5.8 lies here. So which is name of the side is AB and the measurement is 5.8 centimeter. Alright, so here we have to make measure of angle A is 60 degree. So choose the protractor to make this. From angle A is equal to 60 degree. So this is our 60 degree here. Yes. Now pass the straight line from here. Pass the straight line through this. Okay. Alright. And the next one we have is measure of angle B is 30 degree. So from B, you will make angle B is 30 degree. So I will be choosing here 30 degree. Here. Now pass a straight line through this. Pass a straight line. Right? So wherever they are meeting will be our C. So this is our triangle ABC. Okay? In this point they are meeting. So this is the required triangle. Alright, so triangle ABC is a required. So first of all you write therefore triangle ABC is a required triangle. Alright student, I hope you have understood this. Okay student, one point I forgot to mention, angle A will be 60 degree and angle B will be 30 degree. This will make a complete triangle ABC. Okay, so now In our next class, we will proceed with the next question, number 2. Okay, till then, stay safe and healthy and do not forget to practice. Okay, student? Thank you, everyone.